Welcome back to the Pokeboys channel.
Today we are opening a Brilliant Stars booster pack, guys. Having the chance to pull the Charizard Alt Art and the Rainbow Rare, guys. This is such an amazing pack to open, and I can't wait to open this up. Well, let's get ripping. Okay, let's open this up. Okay. Black code card, guys. Here is your code card for all y'all. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Black Energy. Gloria. Dusclops. Starmie. Piplup. Turtwig. Minccino. Weasel. Howlutcha. Starmie Reverse. And a Raichu V, guys. Such an amazing hit. Yo, guys. Wow, this is something that I need to sleeve up, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to watch our next videos. See you soon, guys.